Maintaining a clean HyperX mousepad is crucial for optimal gaming performance and hygiene. Modern HyperX mousepads use enhanced materials that are more stain-resistant and easier to clean. Regular maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your pad. Let's start with daily cleaning techniques that take just a few minutes. For daily cleaning, use compressed air or a lint-free microfiber cloth to remove dust and debris from the surface. For surface wiping, slightly dampen a cloth with distilled water. Address spills immediately by blotting with a clean cloth. Never rub or scrub. For weekly deep cleaning, you'll need a mild, pH-neutral dish soap and a soft brush for more thorough maintenance. Create a cleaning mixture with a 1:10 soap-to-water ratio. This gentle solution will clean effectively without damaging the mousepad materials. Apply the mixture with a soft brush in gentle circular motions. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residue. After cleaning, gently squeeze out excess water. Never wring the mousepad. Lay it flat to air dry for 24 to 48 hours. Important: avoid using heat sources like hair dryers or direct sunlight, as they can warp the rubber base and damage your mousepad permanently. Following these essential cleaning techniques will keep your HyperX mousepad in optimal condition, ensuring consistent gaming performance and extending its lifespan significantly. Different types of stains require specific removal techniques to effectively clean your HyperX mousepad without causing damage. For food and beverage stains like coffee or tea, immediately rinse with cold water followed by an enzyme-based cleaner. The enzymes break down organic compounds effectively. For grease stains, use the cornstarch absorption method. Sprinkle cornstarch on the stain, let it absorb the grease, brush it off, then wash with warm water and grease-fighting detergent. For biological stains like sweat or oils, wash regularly with antibacterial soap. For ink stains, use isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab, but always test a small area first to avoid damage. Prevention is key to maintaining your mousepad. Control your gaming environment by keeping the area clean and practicing good hand hygiene before gaming sessions. Be aware of warning signs that indicate your mousepad needs replacement. Persistent odors after cleaning, visible wear patterns affecting tracking, or rubber base separation all signal it's time for a new pad. By using the right cleaning techniques for specific stains and following preventive measures, you can significantly extend your HyperX mousepad's lifespan and maintain optimal gaming performance.